Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to do an unbox of this product. This is a smart oral cleaner. This is Fairywill F5020E for clean your teeth and especially your gum. Okay, the decent packaging here, nothing special. So let's open here from the top. Let's see what we have in the package. Let's go here. These are the heads, I think. Let's open it from here. So they're packed properly inside. So good. And many heads according to your need, what you want. So lovely in this case. Different heads. So this one I like, I use normally. Here we go. Beautiful head. Can put between your teeth into your gum to clean it. Lovely. So what else we have in the pack? Here we go. Yeah, cable. Let's see. This is. You need a adapter, you can use any charger from your phone or anything easily. Okay, lovely, beautiful quality. I feel good quality. Let's open the cable to see what is the size. Size is quite long, you can see. I think 1 or 2 meter could be size if I'm not wrong. Let's see the machine. Before go to the machine, we have a manual. We need some manuals. Using instruction. Here we go. You see Fairywill Smart Oral Irrigator. The model number, instruction guide, is a big catalog. You can see. Here we go. Let's see. And here some plastic. Take this off. Lovely. And here is the main thing, the machine. Take it off. Wow, it's beautiful. If you ask me, look beautiful, quite elegant product, quality product. I feel at my hand. I have used many of them. See, on, I hit the button, it's coming with the charge. With this button, you can change the mood, clean mode and off. Very lovely. You see, you take off this one and put the water inside. Wow. This is, I don't know what is the purpose. Okay, I take this off. Here, this is for charge. Okay, you see the charging connector. Here we go. I put this one here. Wow, so beautiful, lovely. And you can feel with this whole lovely product. Here, let me connect this one. I think it could be pretty easy. Press inside, lovely. Press the button, use on your teeth. Lovely. Okay, in my next video, I'm gonna do a detailed review of this product and I'm gonna tell you how I feel with this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.